What's going on, guys? Let's become YouTubers together. Recently I made a new YouTube channel and uploaded almost 3 videos and 3 shorts. And now I am sharing a mind-blowing result after 1 week. I almost got 4 views in the very first video and also 5 views on the next video, but on the other hand, my shorts video result is little bit different. I uploaded almost 3 shorts to my channel and I got more than 100 views in my first short. And I also got more than 2000 views in my second short, and I also had more than 25 subscribers. So I think sound good. I know YouTube videos help us to earn money, but just think about it. Shorts also plays a vital role in our channel growth. So in my opinion, if you are new on YouTube, you should focus on shorts, because with the help of shorts, you can achieve your milestone in a very short period of time, and I think it sounds amazing. Now let's talk about videos versus shorts. Okay, let's talk about something mature. In my case, shorts are so much better than videos, because nowadays people have not much time to spend a lot of time watching videos. So one of the biggest benefit of YouTube Shorts is that there are no ads run of shorts. So that's why people want to watch shorts instead of videos. So this is the reason YouTube also wanted to promote shorts instead of videos. So guys, why are you waiting? Let's work together and share your precious experience with me in the comment box. So this video, if this video is really helpful for you, so at least I deserve one more subscriber. So it's definitely you.